Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will go here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your